Hi everyone, I'm back to share my small Target haul and JoAnn's. I'm going to kind of combine them here. So at Target, I went to the dollar spot, the $3. I picked up this glitter scrapbook paper pad for a friend of mine. And then for $3, they had this really pretty fall print paper pad. And then I saw they had this twine. These were $1 a piece. So I picked up the orange and white, the plain orange, and the black and white. And then I went down to where they actually have the crafting supplies, and I saw these. These are giant rolls of craft twine. 100 yards, $2.99. So I grabbed 2 of these, the red and white, for Christmas because I use a lot of the twine for embellishments, my gift tags, and I thought for $2.99 that was a steal. That was an awesome price. So that's my small Target haul. I got these the other day, and hubby and I went to JoAnn's. I actually went to JoAnn's for one thing and came out with a ton, and you know how that goes. So I went to the Miss Sparkle and Company place where they sell the paper pads and the stamps for $1.99, and I kind of picked up the papers that I saw that they had left because I want to share them with my mom and my bestie. And so I found this adorable fall print. I just love that. So I got 2 of those. And then this fall print here. I love the pumpkins and the leaves and the colors. So I picked up 3 of those because that's all they had. And then this I picked up 2 of the Halloween prints, the cute little witch. Thought those were adorable. $1.99. You cannot go wrong with that. And then these I picked up 4 of the 6x6. There's 15 sheets, and you get 3 of each pattern of those because I thought they were super cute because I'm going to be sharing those. And then I picked up 2 of the Gather Here leaf prints for the stamps, and then 2 of the Trick or Treat ones, as I thought, oh my gosh, isn't he cute, the little Frankenstein and the Trick or Treat and the bones. I just love these, so I was able to get 2 of those. And then I got a giant 32-ounce jar of Mod Podge because I'm going to be using a lot of this Mod Podge in the next few projects. So with a coupon, that was a great deal. And I picked up some material, Halloween prints and colors for an upcoming Halloween project I have going on. So I picked up this fabric quarter of orange, kind of looks like a tie-dye. This fun bright green, and then like a tie-dye print purple. And then I found this one with the bright green bats. And then this came in a pack. So I'm going to pull it out to show you. They had the skull print, the eyeballs, which I think are kind of cool. And then this one has a mixture of stripes and then has like bats, eyeballs, pumpkins throughout. I love the colors. I thought that was really pretty. And then there's like this brown tie-dye color. Not bad. Kind of mix that in. And then this pattern here, kind of an animal print. So I picked up those fabrics and I had coupons for those. And I also picked up one of these Fab Lab hats. It's a felt craft hat. And I wasn't sure of the size. This is the biggest one that they had. And this is why I bought my glass bowl. because I'm going to be doing a project with it, and I wanted to make sure the hat would fit on top of the glass bowl. So I'm definitely going to go back to the Dollar Tree and get more of the glass bowls, and I'm going to get more of the felt hats, and you'll see it in an upcoming project what I'm going to do with it. And then I found my clear plastic beads, and these clear plastic beads, and they're going to go with this ribbon here that I purchased for my Christmas ornaments that I make that look like ribbon candy. And if you guys are interested in learning how to make a ribbon candy ornament, I will place a link below to my ribbon candy tutorial, and you can check that out. And then last but not least, they had the Simply Cards and Paper Craft magazine. I love to get this because they not only give you a magazine full of ideas, but they give you, depending on, you know, what ideas they have in their magazine, they include, I'm going to open it with you guys, I'm sorry if that's loud. They include this. This is a die set. This is an embossing folder, and then these are the cute stamps that go with it. I loved the stamps as soon as I saw them, and the little red truck with the tree. Of course, that's very popular. And then inside, they give you all kinds of ideas on how to make Christmas cards and what to use all of these with, which I love, love, love to do the projects that they have in here, and they have step-by-step things. And then also inside the magazine, they gave a bunch of free papers and sentiments and tags, and just an amazing magazine. I love to get this. It's called Simply Cards and Paper Crafts, and I picked that up at JoAnn's. So anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, let me know, and I'll be back to share some projects with you. Thanks for watching. Take care.